ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, my name is Rueven, a young learner who is embarking on an extraordinary journey through the land of Cambridge English. I am 12 years old and about to begin my Year 9 studies in the coming school semester. Today, I have the honor of sharing not only my language learning accomplishments, but also my deep appreciation for those who have guided and supported me along the way. From the very start, my journey with Cambridge English has been marked by continuous growth and achievements. At the tender age of 4, I eagerly began my language learning adventure with the Cambridge English Pre-A1 Starters course, and by the time I turned 5, I proudly received my first certificate, signaling the beginning of a remarkable journey. As the years went by, I pushed myself to reach higher levels of English proficiency. At the age of 6, I successfully conquered the A1 Movers level, and at 7, I achieved the A2 Flyer certificate after just 1 month of preparation. With each milestone received, my language skill grew by leaps and bounds. By the age of 8, I proudly obtained the A2 Key certificate with an impressive grade A, showcasing my dedication and commitment to continuous and consistent improvement. The foundation I built during these formative years became the solid ground upon which I continued to flourish. As I progressed through my education, I faced new challenges and emerged victorious. At 10 years old, I achieved the B1 preliminary with grade A. By the time I had turned 11, I passed the B2 first level with a full score at the use of English, showcasing my advanced language proficiency and my ability to use sophisticated and complex vocabulary. But my achievements extended beyond the realm of the English language. Last year, I was recognized as the Kangaroo Maths medalist and an ASMO science competitor. These prestigious honors highlighted my abilities and achievements in mathematics and science. They served as a testament to my dedication, hard work, and passion for knowledge. Building upon my past accomplishments, I was also able to get medalist for this year's ASMO Science School Round. Moreover, I was also able to get the Principal's Award, this special award given to the best students in each class. Now, at the age of 12, I am undertaking the challenge of the C1 Advanced Level, KLC Language Centre, with a steadfast aim of taking the exam before the year's end. The C1 Advanced level represents a pinnacle in any Cambridge English journey, where fluency and mastery of the language matters most. As such, this stage of my journey will not have been possible without the unwavering support and guidance of my English teachers at KLC. To my esteemed teachers, I express my deepest gratitude. Your dedication, expertise, and unwavering belief in my potential have been instrumental in my language learning journey. To all the exceptional educators here who dedicate themselves to shaping young minds, please know that your impact extends far beyond the classroom. You inspire, guide, and empower your students to unlock their full potential. Your passion for teaching and genuine care for their growth and development leave an indelible mark on their lives. Last but not least, I am grateful for the opportunities I have been given by GPEX to present my Cambridge English journey and extend my deepest appreciation to those who have shaped me along the journey. Thank you all for your attention, and may we continue to learn, grow, and inspire one another. Thank you.